1. Vauld scheme progress and Q&A is on May 20th. 2. As many people are still facing some issues, whether it is related to KYC completion, Vauld login error, withdrawal issues, or any other issues related to Vauld, etc. I request you to please fill the Google form and submit as much questions as you can, which you have got in Vauld email today, 15 May 24. 3. We can expect Vauld third quarterly update any day after 20 May 24 in this month. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get latest Vauld updates. Thank you.